So this is a tool we've done for lifting the tips of missiles. They have some pretty complicated electronic controls. Obviously we don't have that here with us today. We're going to demonstrate on this little cardboard tube. But you've got some very complicated controls with a lot of safety built in. First things first is you can't lift up until you have full grip pressure. So right now I can't go anywhere on the upside. I can't lift this up and tilt it and pitch it off. So you have common buttons here. I can't just hit grip and release. I have to hit the common with the grip in order to grip it, common with the release in order to release it. They're both momentary, so you can't stick your hand in there and potentially have a pinch hazard. So in order to grip it, I can grip it like this, but it has to build up enough grip pressure to know that I can go up. So if I don't have enough grip pressure like you see right now, I can't still go up. So you got to hold grip for a little bit longer, build up the pressure in the grip cylinder. It flips a switch up here, and now I'm able to lift this up. Now you hear the first pop. There is a switch right here that once you lift up, you cannot actually engage the release in midair. So now I cannot accidentally release this part in midair. So you have a safety feature built in right over here for that. You also have, they're rotating this unit in order to get into it so they can install electronic guts. They don't want to be able to rotate the unit down this low because you can potentially hit the frame of the tool. So you have to lift it up till a certain point. Right now, I can hit this brake and release the brake, but it's not going to go anywhere. So until I get to about here, you hear that pop. Now the brake's released, but I can also lock it anywhere I want by just either this foot lever or this brake lever right here. You have two ways to engage that brake. I click it again, I can rotate it over, I can get into it, work on whatever I need to get into, flip it back, and set it down. I'm going to engage the brake again, so now it won't go anywhere. Now I can come down with it, but you'll see I can still not release in midair. And once I get here, I can't release the brake again. It's still locked in place, so I cannot turn it. So pretty much I have only one way to do this. That comes straight down. Now you hear that pop. It's lowered far enough. Now I can release it. And that is the basic operation of this tool. For any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.